Let's practice pronunciation. Will's bicycle, the short form of William is Will. Will's bicycle is not cycle. When it is cycle, okay. Will's bicycle has a flat tire. I need a cycle. But Will's bicycle has a flat tire. He cannot. One word pronunciation. You have only one N. Cannot. Ride it. Ride it. He has to repair. Repair. A puncture. Puncture. He does not need, long sound, need to pay the man at the bicycle shop to mend it. He can repair it himself. He has taken out the inner tube. Taken out the inner tube. Inner tube. He has tested it and has found the puncture. Found the puncture. The test is easy. Long sound, easy. You get a bucket of water. Bucket of water. You blow up the inner tube. Inner tube with. British people say with, but American people say with. You blow up the inner tube with a bicycle pump and put the tube into the water. Water. Bit by bit. You move the tube round till you see, long sound, see, a stream, a long sound, a stream of air, air bubble coming out through the water, through the water. You mark the place where, American people say where. So you mark the place where the air is coming out with a special together, right? A special pencil. Pencil, British council, council, pencil. The last vowel is silent. Pencil, council, pencil. Will has one of these pencils, pencils. His father, mother, his father, mother. His father has given him a repair outfit, a repair outfit. Very little pronunciation, a little pronunciation. A repair outfit. The pencil is in the outfit. He has marked the place where the puncture is when the inner tube is dry. He is going to stick a rubber patch. So when the inner tube is dry, he is going to stick a rubber patch on the puncture. He is going to stick it on with rubber solution. He is going to stick it on with rubber solution. There are some patches and a tube of rubber solution in the repair outfit. When Will has repaired his bicycle, he's going to ride it again. Thanks for watching.